Cruising along in my automobile. Somebody load up some bales of hay and turn the wheel. So, what we have here is I was driving, and we were backed up for a minute. And, well, just stay tuned. You'll see exactly what happened. Me, just dealing with a lot of farmers and ranchers. It seems to be that maybe somebody was sipping a little Jameson a little too hard. And that's called emotional drinking. So don't work an emotional drink, or don't work if you emotionally drink the night before. Yeah, because this happens often.